putting a swipe of mascara on is not that hard.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. In today's video, we are going to tint my eyelashes. Now, I haven't done that since I was a teenager, and I think that's because it really didn't do much for me. At least not enough to go through the whole process again. Granted, this was a time when you could only get it done at salons, but guess what I found? It is lash and brow dye that you can do at home. Before we go on, I want to show you guys how classy I am. Where is it? Yep. Anyway, I found this stuff on Amazon, and the reason that I am willing to go through dyeing my own eyelashes is because I have been using Careprost. It's the active ingredient in Latisse, and I've got longer eyelashes, if not a couple more up there. So maybe making these blonde lashes darker might make me happy. Now, if this stuff works, I will put the link down below if you guys want to buy your very own 1,000 hour lash and brow dye. One thing I did notice right when I took this out of the package was, see right there, it says poison. Yeah, poison. By all means, let's put this stuff very close to my eyeballs. Oh, and another little treat for today's video is I'm going to be using this bad boy to show you how blonde before and how hopefully, oops, dark after. All right, let's turn the light on. Oh my God, I got too excited. Ew. See that? I have not worn mascara for a couple of days, so they should be free of any residual mascara. So there they are. See them? Look, there's my eyeball. There it is. Ew. All right, enough of that. I'm still seeing spots in this eye. Now, let's read the directions. What I think is going to happen is that I'm going to be a little bit too afraid to get it too close to my eyeball, as I think anyone would, and I'm going to have a little like rim closest to the lash line of blonde and then perhaps dark. I can pick up tomorrow. Oh, okay, sure. I am selling, I don't know, like a third of my staging furniture, and I put it on Facebook Marketplace as well as Craigslist, but boy, people just get after it. I chose the color brown black. It says there are 12 applications that last up to 6 weeks. Oh, you know what I want to get is Vaseline to protect my skin against being dyed. Perform a skin sensitivity test 48 hours before application. We're gonna live on the edge and just do it. Okay, so here's what this chick's doing. The thing is I'm not going to do my bottom lashes. Oh, look at this. They have a, my voice, I just hit puberty. These are the little, let's use them, under eye thingies, which in the picture are much bigger than this actual thing. Okay, instructions. When lying in a lying down position with eyes closed, wait. Oh, that's when applying to someone else. Everyone in my house has dark, beautiful eyelashes, so not doing it. Take 2 eye protection papers and put some Vaseline. Excuse me, I have to go get it. How are you doing? Right under the eye and adhere to the skin, close as possible to the bottom lashes. I'm not doing my bottom lashes. I don't think it would be worth it, even though they are probably longer than they usually are. I don't care. Squeeze into mixing cup about 2.5 centimeters. Are they kidding me? How do you squeeze out 2.5 centimeters? Or in other words, 1 inch of color cream. Here's a little very fancy thing that I'm going to mix up the stuff in. Poison. Again with the poison. Do you hear those dogs? My neighbors have 2 chihuahuas. Yeah. I don't understand. Okay, so I'm just going to wing it because that's safe, you know? Okay, a little bit of goop there. Gross. And then 10 drops. What the friggin' hole is this? Oh, what? Oh, shit. It just poured out. Oops. The sponge and just suck it up and then mix it up. What the hell is this? Apply to the lashes using the white wand, that's this thing, or the mascara style wand. And leave on for 10 minutes. That's a long time. Compared to the brow dye that I usually use, which is 5 minutes. Slight stinging might occur. This just is not sounding so fantastic to me. So I'm gonna put Vaseline right here. Let's put these on. That's not, no. Let's just put Vaseline. How's that? I'm very scared right now. And that line of blonde eyelashes close to my waterline, oops. I think it's gonna be really long because I don't know how close I want this stuff to my eyeball. Maybe I will use the brush. All right, so it's not mixing. I would show you guys, but it's really not that exciting. Let's use this. That's what that looks like bird poop. You know what? I bet that just for men stuff, but don't do it. I bet that stuff would work on your eyelashes. Men are putting it close to their orifices. Okay, mirror. I'll get closer to the camera. Okay. Okay, that got really close to my eye. I did not enjoy that. Okay, next. All right, I'm gonna get the white wand out. Let's see. Oh yeah, the wand's way better. It's actually ribbed for my pleasure. So it goes on more like a mascara wand. Not close to my lash line. I would rather be safe. So that'll do it. I just don't know if the ratio of bird poop was sufficient. Okay, I'm gonna look at the dye up close, but not too up close because I don't want to push this thing into my eyeball and get dye in my eye. That's why. I'm just gonna go right here. What's the problem? Oh, there we go. Ew, look at the veins in my eyeball. There they are with dye on them. All right, well, that's all you get to see right now. 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna have to come back. And I think I will come back after I wash it off because there's no need for you to see anything past this point. Okay, bye. All right, so now I remember why I didn't think tinting eyelashes was worth it. I'm gonna show you the results as little as they are. There they are. See the blonde at the end and then they get darker as you go up. Maybe the other eye is different. Nope, blonde at the end and dark as you go up. Anyway, let's talk about this experience and the possibilities. It's possible that I didn't use it correctly. It's possible that perhaps the product is old. I did find out what they meant by 2.5 centimeters of this stuff. I'm kind of dumb. It's so thick that when you squeeze it, you can measure how much is coming out. Another possibility is perhaps this brand. Where's the box? Maybe this brand is not the greatest. I don't know. I do know that even if I knew that this would work, I don't think I would do it again. It's not that big of a difference. And putting a swipe of mascara on is not that hard. So I will continue to do that. And I think Amazon, you're going to be getting this back. All right, you guys, that's it for this video on tinting my eyelashes at home. I hope you enjoyed it. I think you might have learned something. I did. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.